Let's be real for a second. No one actually enjoys the pump spray routine of a traditional garden sprayer. By the time you're halfway through your yard, your arm is tired, the pressure is dropping, and you're just ready to be done. But what if you could just flip a switch and get a perfect, consistent stream every single time? Today, we're looking at the PetraTools battery-powered 1-gallon sprayer, the HD1000S. And honestly, this little machine is about to make your lawn maintenance a whole lot easier. This isn't your average, cheap plastic sprayer. This is the 1-gallon Pro Kit. And the Pro part isn't just a label. The heart of this thing is the battery-powered pump. Forget manual labor. One charge gives you hours of consistent pressure, so your weed control, pest treatment, or liquid fertilizer goes on perfectly even without you having to lift a finger except to pull the trigger. It's compact, it's heavy-duty, and it's built for the person who wants a pristine garden without the backache. What really sets this kit apart is the incredible versatility. It comes with 8 different nozzles right in the box. Whether you need a wide fan for the lawn, a fine mist for your delicate rose bushes, or a powerful stream for those hard-to-reach weeds in the driveway, there is a specialized tip for the job. It even comes with a comfortable shoulder strap, so you can carry it around like a pro without any strain. It's the perfect size for home use. Not too heavy when full, but big enough to get the job done. If you're ready to graduate from that old-school manual pump to something that actually works with you, the PetraTools HD1000S is the ultimate upgrade for your shed. Click the link below for the best price and reclaim your weekends from the pump. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button and subscribe for more lawn and garden tech reviews. See you in the next one.